how to change Bluetooth audio bits per sample on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings App, 9 Setting. Scroll down to and click on Developer option. After click on Developer option, scroll down and search Bluetooth audio bits per sample from here. Scroll down. You will see Bluetooth audio bit per sample is here. If you want to change, so you will select 16 bits per sample, 24 bits per sample, 32 bit sample, 24 and 32 bit sample. So after select sample, you will see Bluetooth audio bits per sample is changed. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change Bluetooth audio bits per sample on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.